This is the Global Cessna 182. I just did one flight on it, and the only thing I don't like about this plane is the battery goes up in the behind the windshield, so I have to take the wing off every time I need to recharge the battery. Good flying airplane. Real happy with it. I'm the only one at the field right now. One guy said he was coming out, but no show so far. And we got the battery charging. Have it up here. Looks like it's just about done. Oh, it is done. So stop the charge. Our sign. And the field is, a couple, 3 weeks ago, we had real heavy rain. And we did a lot of work to get it somewhat flyable. All the ruts are gone. It still needs some packing again. We needed another light rain, but we didn't get it. I should have brought the Hellcat for its maiden flight. But this is our runway. Best shape it's been in for a long time. So let me get the battery in this and get it back up in the air. And here's the Cessna with the wing on. I don't know if you can see, but the battery's in the behind the windshield. Flaps, ailerons. See, been sitting for a while. Need a de-duster. So let's get this thing started.